Hey, this is Joan Pratt with Remax Professionals, and today we are touring this beautiful home at 529 Summer Mist. This home is located here in Bell Mountain Ranch. It is a it's actually a snowy day today. This is not one of our 300 days of sunshine that we get in Castle Rock, but a great day to film nonetheless, and you can get a great feel for some of the views that we have here. Lovely home. This one was built in 2001. It is horse property. You can see the southern mountain range there. I like to call it Purple Mountain Majesty out those windows. You can tell that this house has a beautiful gourmet kitchen. We've got double ovens. We have also I'm trying to remember what those are called. I have one of those cooktops. Nice built-in refrigerator. Multiple fireplaces, tall vaulted ceilings, hand-troweled walls. If you're new to looking at homes in Bell Mountain, we'll go ahead and pan up so that you can see these little things on the ceiling over here. Those little things are fire suppression systems. So most all of our homes here in Bell Mountain have them in case there's ever a fire, and you get them checked annually to make sure that they're in good condition. This home also has a main floor study. This is pretty common in our neighborhood to have an office on the main floor. Most of our people are commuters for work, and when I say commuters, they're commuting by plane. They're not actually, so their commute is to the airport, but when they're not commuting, they're working from home. So you can see some of the beautiful privacy out here. And again, this is horse property, so it is zoned for a secondary building. Let's go take a look at the master bedroom. It's really beautiful. So we have some more beautiful views, fireplace, cozy little nook. I could just imagine reading a book there. We have all these custom Hunter Douglas window coverings, and the master bath is no disappointment either. Beautiful double shower. Door doesn't open that way. Go ahead and take a look inside. You can see there's two shower heads, and they've been converted so that you can actually pull them down, and it has a ledge for shaving your legs, ladies. All right, we'll step into the closet now. Goes all the way up to the ceiling. And that's also some attic access up there as well. There is a cedar lining in this closet. Beautiful jetted tub, dual vanities. This is the coat closet. Come take a look in there. And then these are the stairs to the lower level. Now, one of the unique things about this house is that it has two separate wings. So you have the public area in the middle, and then you have the master suite on one side and the guest suites on the other. This allows for the ultimate amount of privacy. So come on, let's take a look. Got our formal dining room, comes complete with a butler. Just kidding, but everything's negotiable. It's our laundry room here. As you can tell, it is very well situated. Lots of cabinets. And even a nice drop station. I can imagine having hooks here and baskets for gloves and jackets. These guys apparently have a lot of vacuum cleaners. This could be used for vacuum cleaners or coats. The garage is stuffed right now, but we're going to take a look anyway, because if you were here in person, you'd be opening this door too. We have a 3-car oversized garage, super tall ceilings. You can hang your bikes and other outdoor stuff. I've seen people hang kayaks from the ceilings. And then if you take a look at the floor is actually painted as well, which is really nice. And the whole garage is finished all the way around. So if you wanted to put racing stripes in here or add some actual cabinets, this would be a really cool man cave. We also have the access door. Whoops. This home is equipped with an alarm system, and there's a pad here and one in the master as well. Come on. With very low maintenance on the main floor. In fact, if I lived here, I would have a robot vacuum because it would be able to vacuum all the common areas and these bedrooms too. So this is a bedroom here, has a beautiful view. It's hard to see today because of the clouds, but you can see some of the 2D pictures we have online. Come on, let's walk through the Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill has a tub and 2 sinks. It also is separated, so you have privacy for the people that are in the shower, and yet other people can still be getting ready simultaneously. Come on. This bedroom has another great view. You can have the deck off the front here, and there's those Purple Mountain Majesties that are a little white today. We're going to take a second video, I think, and we're going to walk downstairs, but we're going to stop this one for now, so make sure you click on the next one so you can see the downstairs. Well, we are here in the basement. We just magically transported down the stairs, and now you get to take a look at what the other features of this home are. Super tall ceilings. I bet if I didn't tell you we were in a basement, you wouldn't have thought we were in a basement. And look, we even have a stacked stone fireplace here. Just more gorgeous views, wide open space, plenty of room for a big sectional sofa, air hockey table, maybe a little game table here in the corner. It's also really nice to have this kitchenette. If you did have maybe some older kids or a second family, nowadays everyone's multi-generational. If you had a second family, they could live down here as well. So we have 2 bedrooms and 2 baths down here, as well as an awesome theater room and a ridiculously huge storage room. So let's take a look. Come on. Huge linen closet. And then down here, nice sized bedroom, coffered ceilings. And then they replaced a lot of the light fixtures with these pretty ones. Come take a look. They're very pretty, but they don't put off a whole lot of light. So maybe you're wondering why it's so dark in here. That's why you might need to get some more light. But look at this amazing closet. And then since this bathroom is shared with the common areas, this has a door to the common areas and also one to the bedroom. So take a look in here. Now we're going to take a look at the other end and some of the cool things along the way. This right here is our storage unit. It allows me to talk about one of our cool features. Sorry, I guess we should have turned these light bulbs on a few minutes ago. This house has a structural subfloor. If you pan down to the floor, you can see that is a structural subfloor. Basically, here in Colorado, our homes are built out with the foundations around the exterior of the homes. So in here, you can see the foundation of the home. There's also a trap door down here, which allows you access to the structural subfloor. That is a crawl space. And that is really, really cool if you have this. On a new build, it's about a $20,000 to $30,000 option. But it allows you to move plumbing around. So if you needed to put a bathroom here in this unfinished area or someplace else, you can get to the plumbing. So that's a really cool thing. The other thing is with our shifty soils that we tend to have here, it will prevent your floors from shifting. Sometimes slabs will shift and you'll get a little gap underneath your baseboards. You don't have to worry about that so much in a house with a structural subfloor. So here, you can see this is our alarm system. Dual furnaces, which is really great, especially nowadays there's a lot of people that just want one floor living, but then they have kids or family that come home and they need another place to expand to, and so they can keep it cool in the basement and warm it up upstairs, or vice versa. And we have dual water heaters as well. There's still more storage, so let's walk back here too. This was it's a little area that they had set up for data drop. I'm not really sure why it was designed this way, but it is still a nice little nook to have. So we'll turn back around and go look through the rest of the house. The next room is, let's walk this way. Aha, I know what that secret room was for now. Can you pan around here? Pan around here. These wires are directly on the other side of that wall, so that explains this is where they're putting the components. The previous owner had components for the theater room on the other side of this wall. So you can see we've got 3 levels here. You could easily sit 6 comfy chairs, and then if it were me, I'd throw some bean bags or love sacks down here on the bottom for the kids to kind of crash and play. You can see that it has surround sound built into the walls. Those little outlet covers with the wires sticking out are all the way around. Got some great understairs storage in here. This house has plenty of storage. It's 5,788 square feet. And this side has another linen closet as well. Another beautiful ensuite with a walk-in closet. Come on in and take a look. Like a second master suite down here. The bathroom has a tub and a shower. This property, as I mentioned, is horse property, and one of the neat things about it is it has immediate access to the horse trails. It's kind of hard to see, but if you look out this window here, you will see a little green post. It's a piece of wood and the top of it is angled. That is where the horse trail is. So literally you could just build a barn and fence it all off, and then you could hop on the horse trail. Our neighborhood has 27 miles of hiking, biking, and equestrian trails. So there's lots of things to do around here. Actually, that trail also goes over the crest of this hill over here. And that's also part of the elk migration path. It's pretty common that you will see, well, there's lots of wildlife here. We have foxes, coyotes, elk, deer, the occasional bear. Now we're back here in this beautiful room. I will go ahead and let you take a tour around it. a beautiful patio here. That is just another area to take in the nature and surroundings. It has some shrubbery here that hasn't grown in yet. So I hope you enjoyed our tour of 529 Summer Mist in Bell Mountain Ranch. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. I live here in the neighborhood. It's easy for me to pop over and open another closet or a cabinet drawer if that helps. And certainly we're going to be posting this live, so I'll be answering questions as well, but hopefully this helps make a decision for you. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.